This coconut octopus suddenly attacked a crab that is concealed in the sand. The dark colour of the octopus shows it is in fight mode. The crab is unable to defend itself using its claws because the suckers on the octopus's arms are restraining it. The octopus is using its razor-sharp beak to inject poison between the crab's carapace and back leg. The crab weakens as the poison gradually paralyses it. After about 7 minutes, the crab offers no further resistance. The octopus drags the crab back to its home, a coconut shell. It is quite intriguing that the octopus knows in which direction to head home. Finally there, the octopus will use its beak to tear off the crab's legs. The octopus's digestive enzymes soften the crab's flesh, allowing the octopus to suck it out and eat it. Eventually, just the shell remains, as I saw the next day when I returned to the octopus's home. I was greeted by the octopus, sitting by its coconut shell, holding the crab's carapace. The octopus throws the carapace towards me. And then retreats to its coconut shell. Is this a gift? Or is it saying, "Don't mess with me"?